guys, welcome back. My name is Ren and this is my channel, Wisely Made Up. So today is pretty exciting because it's going to be my first challenge video. I kind of created this challenge in my head, but if it's been done before, please let me know in the comments. Today I'm going to be doing a Disney trivia challenge with a Disney character look involved. So I asked my followers on Instagram to give me their favorite Disney characters, and then I took a poll to see whether or not they would rather a Disney villain or a Disney hero look. And Disney hero won. So I took the characters that were all Disney heroes, or what I consider Disney heroes, and I put them all on this little piece of paper. And I'm going to, before I start my look, pick one out randomly and do a look inspired by that character. Then off camera, I have my husband. His name is Angel. Say hi, Angel.
Hey, everyone.
And he's going to be asking me Disney trivia questions during each step of my makeup routine. As you can see, I already have my base and my eyebrows done because I didn't want this video to end up being too long because the trivia questions are probably gonna make it a bit longer than normal. Also, if you want to be involved in this process with voting and helping me decide what I'm doing for my channels, please follow me at Wisely Made Up on Instagram. That's where I do all my polls and my questions. So let's get started. Let's pick one. Okay. Oh my God.
Is it Winnie the Pooh?
My daughter is going to be so happy. Are you kidding me? She was like, Mom, make sure it's Winnie the Pooh. And I was like, I don't want to do red and orange.
She just texted, fingers crossed, it's Winnie.
Literally, send her a picture right now. So our daughter's not home, but oh my God. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a Winnie the Pooh inspired look. So I'm thinking red and orange. I'm gonna have my husband off camera pull up a picture of Winnie the Pooh so I have kind of like an idea of what to go off of. Winnie the do at Pooh Corner.
It's, oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh yay, oh yay, oh yay.
Tell her Mom isn't. Mom isn't happy. After I do my base, I start my bronzer, and I held off on doing that in case I got a character like Rapunzel or somebody who was really colorful, because maybe I was going to add color to my cheeks. But since it's Winnie the Pooh, I think I'm going to go with a regular bronzed look. And as I'm bronzing, my husband's going to ask me my first trivia question.
What is the name of the boy who owns Buzz Lightyear in a Toy Story movie?
Andy.
Correct. A little bit easy.
That was a bit easy. Starting off, I know you've got trick ones in there.
Going down.
It's not a competition. Now that I finished my bronzer, we're going to move on to the next step, which is my blush. And we're going to be using Nude Peach 28 from Bobbi Brown. And yes, this is ridiculously dirty. Okay. Ready? Shoot.
In the movie Frozen, which song does Elsa sing as she builds the castle?
Let It Go.
Duh.
I thought you were going to get me with these questions.
Oh, just wait.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, you should be playing along with us. Because at the end, I'd like to know like how well you guys did versus how well I did. For this character, I have been thinking about a really cool like red and orange kind of smoked out eye with a gold, like it is like a gold, I don't know. But this is the reference picture I'm going off of. For the first color, I'm going to be dipping into James Charles Morphe X palette, and I'm going to be using this red.
In the movie Finding Nemo, which country has Nemo been taken to?
Australia?
Yeah.
Was I right?
You're right.
Holy crap.
Yeah, think about it too.
Wow.
This next one's gonna get you.
No, it's not. I am the master of Disney. All right, for my second color, I'm going to take this brown from Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette, and I'm gonna take, it's called Intravenous, and I'm just gonna take it in the crease of where the red is, and I'm just gonna darken it or deepen it a little bit.
Ready for the next question?
Let's do it.
All right. In Peter Pan, did Captain Hook have a hook on his left hand or his right hand?
Oh, shit. Right hand.
No. His left hand.
I wonder if they changed it because I just watched Hook last night or the other night or a night and he had it on his right.
Remember, that's a Hook movie. This
I
isn't a
know,
Peter
but
Pan
that's what
movie.
I'm saying. The inconsistencies within their storylines.
They need to fix it.
They need to. I am writing a letter to Disney during this chaos, and I'm going to be like, you need to go back and reverse image. For our next color, I'm going to get the yellow of Winnie the Pooh. And I'm going to take, because I just feel like this yellow is too bright, so I'm going to take this yellow and, this yellow and this orange color, and I'm going to mix them together to kind of create that orangey yellow color that he is. Next question.
This one should be easy. What does Cinderella's fairy godmother turn into a carriage?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin.
I thought these questions were supposed to be hard.
Next one is.
Oh no. I spoke too soon. So I'm gonna go back and dip back into that brown color I used earlier, and I'm gonna just put it under my eye to connect it. Beautiful. Now this brown is supposed to be like the brown of his honey jar. If you are wondering why I even added brown, that is why.
Next question.
All right.
What type of animal does Jasmine have for a pet in Aladdin?
A tiger.
And the bonus question is, what is his name?
Raj.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm also gonna dip bonus question mark, but I'm gonna dip back into that orange and yellow, and I'm gonna connect it again under here. Do you have another question for me? Oh, are you scared now?
I'm a little bit scared.
Are you scared of my Disney
You know what it
knowledge?
was? You said don't make it difficult to stump you, but I guess I'm wrong.
Oh,
So, what is the name of the Lion King?
Mufasa. Or Simba.
What is the name of the Lion King?
What do you mean, what is the name of the Lion
What is
King?
the name of the Lion King? What is his name?
The Lion King is Mufasa.
No, the Lion King is Simba.
I said Simba.
But you didn't say it confidently.
You didn't say it
You said,
confidently.
oh, it's either this or that.
Either way, I got it. That's a half.
I got you.
That's a half. That's a half. Perfect. That looks so much better. Like Pooh, right? Can you see Pooh in it now or no?
It does look like poo.
Are you the disrespect? Just gonna going back over the top because I'm not happy with the poo-ness of it, so
Does it look too poopy?
it doesn't look poo enough.
More poo.
Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
It is poopy.
For the last color I'm going to be putting in this kind of empty space right here a gold to represent Pooh's honey. So I'm going to be dipping into this Morphe palette. It is the 35F palette. It's mostly like neutral shimmers or natural tone shimmers. I'm going to be dipping into this gold right here. And do you have another question for me?
All right, next question is, what type of animal is Bernard in The Rescuers?
It's a firefly. No.
Nope.
Bernard's a firefly.
Nope. Bernard is a mouse.
Is he the main character?
He's the main character.
Oh, I thought it was the firefly.
Nope.
I'm so mad at myself because that's like legit my favorite Disney
And that's why I
movie.
picked that question, because I knew you loved The Rescuers.
Okay, well, way to make me look bad. Now that we finished the eyeshadow look, I'm going to off camera pop on some lashes and some eyeliner, and I'll be right back.
Things like, okay.
Look at that, beautiful lashes. The look looks beautiful. I look very Poo-licious. Poo-licious. All right.
Next question.
Wait, hold on. I have to tell them what I'm doing. So next I'm going to highlight. All right, continue.
All right, your next question. What color are Mickey Mouse's shorts?
Red.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Correct.
Oh, thanks. Now that we're all highlighted, I've been kind of looking at the look, and it reads Lion King and Winnie the Pooh to me. But I'm thinking if I pop on a nice bright red lip, it'll make it look more Winnie the Pooh. So, you ready?
All right, next question. What is the wizard's name in the movie The Sword in the Stone?
Merlin.
Killed it.
Boom, I'm more Winnie the Pooh. Okay, finally, our last step is to set it so that way when I take it off in about an hour, it'll be really hard. Okay, ready?
All right, next question. What does the Little Mermaid call the fork in her collection of human objects?
Her dinglehopper.
Correct. I thought that was going to send you for a doozy.
No, these questions were easy. Well, guys, this is the look all finished. Please let me know if you think it looks more Winnie the Pooh or Lion King. Red and yellow are two of my least favorite colors to work with, so, you know, it was kind of difficult for me, but I think at the end it turned out really cute. If you guys do end up doing one of these Disney bounding kind of looks, please let me know. Tag me in it at Wisely Made Up. And also please like, subscribe, and share because I really want to see your guys' content, and I'll see you next time. Bye.